Alright guys, as everybody knows, a lot of stuff is irradiated in Japan, and V was mentioning something about it when we were working on it, and I was like, huh, with that Japanese nuclear power plant meltdown.
March 11th, 2011. A mega quake triggered a monster tsunami in northeastern Japan.
Josh? Yürü lan ki buraya gelsin. Sosisini falan.
Hey, is that my truck?
I'm curious. I read up on it, watched a few YouTube videos. Let's see if the old Minitruck is irradiated or not. Of course, you have to have a headphone jack. I gotta find a source to see how that works.
That's definitely working.
When you bump this sensor, it does something. It must be doing a false reading when I bump it. I think we're alright, no? Well, looks like you got a clean bill of health, Minitruck. That's good. Radioactive! On to the next. Pick me up a Glowshift Performance, the HiJet Tachometer. Pretty hard to find something that'll do a 3-cylinder engine. Let's get this hooked up. This one actually has a shift light. I gotta find what the maximum RPM in this motor is. I believe it's like 6,000 or 7,000. Find a good spot to put it. Pretty cute. I'm thinking right here, even though that pops off, it's fine. That's a good spot for it actually. I know the coil's underneath that seat over there. The cylinder selector's on the back. Oh, yeah, it's in there. Looks like it's set for 4. So put that over 1. Oh, it goes up to 10 cylinders. So it's got a dimming feature. Pretty basic and simple, straightforward to get this baby hooked up. That'll work. Yeah. Try using that coupon code. 10% off.
At least if they fall apart, I won't be surprised.
Not bad. Stole a piece of loom off of another thing I had. That'll look a little better. Just like that. Getting ready to route these wires. Put my ground, like maybe on that screw there. I looked here. It looks like my ground fell off. Looks like this white with a red tracer. That's switched. So I think I'm just gonna stick it in there and use that, and then I could just put that over there for now because I don't feel like tapping in. I don't have any jumpers to piggyback off my fuses, so let's see, what kind of plug is that? I wonder what that is for. Some kind of accessory I don't have. Imagine if it was for power windows. I don't think so. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah. Looks good. So now the green wire goes to the tack, and then if I want to switch it to dim, I'll hook the orange up to... I wonder how hard it is to get this out. Oh. Well, that's easy. Oh, well, look at that. It's missing a screw up here on the instrument cluster. Oop. That was an accident. This horn is so sensitive. There's 3 screws that hold this instrument cluster, and one's missing. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. Maybe it just fell out. That makes me feel a little better. That one. Second one. Running lights. That one right there. That second one down with the clip facing this way. Oh, there is like a little white tracer. Green with a white tracer. I'm going to do a T-splice on this one. Guess I should test it. Oh yeah. Works. Not much slack in this wire. That's for sure. Get it if you're careful. And then plug this back in. I wonder which wire it's gonna be here. So I got like 8 feet of wire. I'm gonna go over there and figure out which one is the right coil wire. Got a 50-50 chance. Which one do you think it is? That one? No, not that one. I wonder if that third wire is for a tack. Find out in a second. Ah, there it is. There it is. Found it. Alright, so it is this little red with, I don't know what that is. A little tiny silver streak on it. Now let's run this wire. Follow down the heater cable, go underneath this, snake it under here. Instead of going all the way under the truck, I popped this rubber plug out. There's 2. I took the softer one, put a little tiny hole. I'm going to just feed it through that and run around to here. I think that's way better than going underneath. Right. There. Fire it up, see if it works.
Oh, I forgot. We already did that.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty responsive.
Yeah. So let's set the shift light to like 3 grand. Oh yeah. I see it. See the light?
Yeah.
Maybe I better set it to like 5. Not bad. I know, let air out a little. Well, look at that. I think these will be better.
I got more paddles too.
Yeah, no, they're not DOT though. It's a blade.
I need help. I'm in the fucking ditch down on road and I need your help to like pull me something.
It looks like blade went off the road. We gotta yank him out.
I mean, I'm bad right now.
We're gonna have to winch you this way. What's it, frozen?
Thing's harder than a honeymoon dick.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Blade's back again.
Fucking driveway.
This time someone almost rear-ended him and took out a mailbox. Woo! Ah, you gotta love winter.